Hello friends, welcome to the new session of Pharmacognosy. Myself Miss Malvi Rajendra Bhavsar, M.Pharm in Pharmaceutics. So today we'll be starting with part 2 in pharmaceutical aids. In last session we studied about pharmaceutical aids, its definition, classification, and also we studied about honey, arachis oil, kaolin. Okay, now in this session in part 2 we'll be studying about acacia, tragacanth, starch, and gelatin. Okay, so these are the learning outcomes. Student will be able to know what is pharmaceutical aid, different crude drugs which are used as pharmaceutical crude aids, and monograph of that crude drugs. So first we'll start with acacia. Synonym of acacia is gum acacia and gum arabic. Biological source dried gummy exudation obtained from the stem and branches of Acacia arabica wild belonging to family Leguminosae. Geographical source in India, it occurs in Punjab, Rajasthan, Western Ghats of Sri Lanka, Africa. Then description of acacia. Color tears are cream brown to red. So tears are cream brown to red, powder in light brown. Odor it is odorless. Taste bland and mucilaginous. Size and shape irregular. Solubility soluble in water. Insoluble in alcohol. Standards for acacia moisture it should not be more than 15%. Ash not more than 5%. Chemical constituent arabine, which is complex mixture of calcium, magnesium, and potassium salt of arabic acid. On hydrolysis, gives L-rhamnose, D-galactose, D-glucuronic acid, and enzyme oxidase. Uses of acacia demulcent, hemolysis when administered IV, emulsifying suspending agent, storage stored in well closed container protected from light and in cool dry place. Then comes tragacanth. Tragacanth synonym gum tragacanth, tragacantha. Biological source dried gummy exudation obtained from incision on the stems and branches of Astragalus gummifer, family Leguminosae. Geographical source India, Greece, Iran, Iraq, Syria. Organoleptic characters color is white or pale yellowish white, odor it is odorless, taste tasteless, size is 25 into 12 into 2 mm, shape thin flattened ribbon like flakes. Chemical constituent of tragacanth in water soluble portion 8 to 10% it is tragacanthine and insoluble portion it is known as besorine. Traces of starch and tragacanthic acids are there. Galacturonic acid, D-galactopyranose, D-xylopyranose, L-arabinoramnose. Uses it is used as demulcent, emollienting cosmetic, thickening agent, suspending agent, binding agent. Then third pharmaceutical aids we are going to study is starch. Synonym amylum. Biological source polysaccharide granules obtained from the grains of maize, that is zea maize. When it is obtained from rice, it is Oryza sativa. Obtained from wheat, it is Triticum acetivum, family Graminae. And potato starch, it is tuberous root of Solanum tuberosum, family Solanaceae. Then geographical source tropical countries, subtropical countries. Description color rice and maize starch it is white color, wheat starch is of cream color, potato starch is slightly yellow. Odor is odorless, taste is mucilaginous, solubility insoluble in cold water and alcohol. Then standards loss on drying not more than 15% for rice, wheat, and maize, whereas not more than 20% for potato. Then chemical constituent of starch mainly two polysaccharides amylose that is beta amylose and amylopectin which is known as alpha amylose. Amylose gives blue color with iodine and amylopectin gives bluish black color with iodine. Identification test 1 gram of starch with 15 ml of water. You have to boil it and cool. You will get translucent viscous jelly. Second test jelly with iodine solution will give you deep blue color. then further disappears on warming and reappears on cooling. Uses of starch: nutritive, demulcent, protective, and absorbent in preparation of dusting talcum powder as an antidote in iodine poisoning. It is also used as disinfecting agent in pills and tablet. Other uses are: it is acting as diluent in solid extract of drug, diagnostic aid, glycerin of starch is an emollient for manufacturing of liquid glucose, dextrose and dextrin, industrially for sizing of paper and cloth. Then fourth pharmaceutical aid is gelatin. Biological source: gelatin is a product obtained by partial hydrolysis of collagenous material. It is derived by boiling animals' tissue like skin, tendons, ligaments, bones, cartilages. Okay, then the above tissue are minced into small pieces and boiled with water, then it is skimmed and subjected to straining. The resultant liquid is subsequently evaporated at low temperature after purification and drying in the air. Now the product is obtained is said to be gelatin. Description of gelatin: color colorless to pale yellow, odor characteristic, taste light and broth like. Then chemical constituent of gelatin and contains 17 to 20% of moisture, 1.5 to 4% of ash. Gelatin chemically protein known as gluten. On hydrolysis, it yields non-essential amino acids. Uses of gelatin: valuable dietary supplement in preparation of ice cream, prevent the formation of large ice crystals. In confectionery preparation of candies, jellies, meat and extracts, as a thickener in jams, jellies, salads, etc. It is also used in manufacturing of capsule, pastille, suppository, urethral bogies, pastes, and several cosmetic preparation. It is acting as antidote for halogen poisoning, substitute for blood plasma in form of 6% solution, in bacteriology preparation for nutrient media, as a finishing agent in leather manufacturing industry. Thank you, friends. In this part we studied next four pharmaceutical aid that were starch, gelatin, acacia, and tragacanth. So we studied all four drugs with their monograph, with the chemical constituent uses and identification test. Thank you for the patient listening, students. Thank you.